in this step you will need rubber band. I have a box like this with like 1,000 packs. There's like 1,000 of rubber band in it. Shine and jam. For real, I will only use one product if it was me. I mean, it is me. But I wanted to use only one product, but just to part my hair nicely, I did use some shine and jam between my parts before parting. And with the wet tail comb, I recommend that your wet tail comb is like this, with the bottom like this, like it's more sharp and precise. Some Dax washable hair wax. It does a strong hold and a light shine, like you can see. And I already parted my hair. It took me 1 hour 35 minutes. I know I'm so precise, but you just need any kind of curly hair. And then 5 packs of xpression braids in the color 1B. Well, I try to show you how to braid your own hair, but it's so difficult. Not that difficult, but to explain, I was like, how do I explain that? Because even though, I watched so much tutorial before, you know, prior to do my hair when I was doing boss braid, and you just need to have to have a big section of hair, fake hair, then divide the section in two, and then you cross the hair over each other, and then you start braiding like it's 1 2 3 pieces, and then you add your real hair to one of the third pieces or second pieces, and then you start to braid. The tips to braid: if it says, if it holding to your hair, then it's braided. Like, you don't need to be so professional about this. You doing this on your whole head. So if it stays, it's braided. Period, sis. Period. Okay, I'm so hyped. So yeah.
That's good.
So the hair I'm using, of course, the deep twist 22 inches, and pretty much I just added to the bottom of the hair. I just decided to cut the hair in half, so it was not 32 inches. It was more like 12 inches, and I just added like little piece by little piece to the end of each braids, and after that I just take some bobby pins, not bobby pin, some rubber band to secure the hair even more, and I will just cut the straight hair off to make the transition look a little bit like smooth, something like that. But we try and we slay. It's like slay, bee. So you can use any kind of mousse. I have the Boda Loti Boda, anyways, mousse, and then the olive oil one. I didn't finish the olive oil one, so I'm going to opt for this one, and then finish. It wasn't done after that, anyways. So it's still a little bit left, and then I've just used the mousse, at the end, where the curly hair is at.
And I oh
Yo, y'all think like YouTubers are so perfect. I still make mistakes though. The curly hair just did go like that, like snatch, bitch. But just need just braided the hair back in, just unravel the braids, and then add it a little bit, halfway to the braids, a little bit more up, and then secure the curly hair with the rubber band, and that's it. Hey guys, so this is the final look, as you can see, and believe it or not, well, you better believe it, my hair, like, I braided so tightly. Oh, it's so tight, and I was like, did I braid my hair myself? But yeah, this is the end. Then it's looking like that. Yeah, I saw this picture of this Instagrammer model or something like that, influencer. On Instagram, I was like, yeah, baby girl, yeah,
Baby girl, 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 baby mother girl, baby girl,
girl, I need to try that. She had goddess box braid, and this is my version of the DIY do-it-yourself goddess box braid without spending like $200, just to do your hair by a professional. And yeah, something but not perfect, but I still make it through. We still make it through. 3 packs and a little bit of the 4th pack for this hairstyle of the xpression braids, and then 1 pack of curly hair for the ends. And the curly hair is I think as the deep twist style. So yeah, that's it. Like, I was like, baby girl, big girl, big girl, I need to try this hairstyle. What do you mean? I'm just joking, guys. So after 7 hours of doing this hairstyle, I'm finally done. I did it in 1 day, and I woke up pretty late, but I still managed to do it on time. And yeah, I mean, what do you mean? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're at 1,000 subscribers and plus. Give these videos a thumbs up. I already say that. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up, and give this video up to 1,000 likes. Comment down below what is your favorite style for the winter time, and would you try this hairstyle? I mean, yeah, that's it. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Say, baby, I love you.